Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So we're back with another installment of the 14-week home organizational challenge sponsored by Tony Hammersley over at A Bowl Full of Lemons. So we're getting close to the end of the challenge because it's week 11. So let me say this, due to a busy schedule, I have missed several weeks of the challenge. For some reason, February was just extremely busy. I have no clue why it was any busier than any other time, but I missed a couple weeks. So I'm going to make up for it this week by doing a couple areas this week. So I am going to start week 11 with week 11, the office. But my office is held in an armoire, so I don't have a room. So some of the things on the clean list I will not have. But here's the checklist, and again, the challenge kit can be found on Tony's website, and I'll link that below in the description box, as well as a link to the Facebook page. So the first thing I'm going to do, it says, is to gather 6 large bins. Well, you know sometimes I'm anti-bin, but I'm going to do the best I can. You need a shred bin, a donate bin, a file, return to another room bin, keep everything, or keep, that's everything that stays in the office, and then a trash or recycle. We don't have recycling here, so everything will be trash. Then I'm going to sort. That's my paperwork. It says give yourself at least 2 hours to go through all your paperwork. So I don't have that much in my office. I do have, most of my files are already in the file cabinet, and because that is already squared away, I don't have to go back throughout those files. So the majority of what you're going to see me do is be working on my desktop specifically, or on the shelves. Then it says clean. So here are the pieces that I do not have, and I'm going to mark them off, which is going to make cleaning the office totally a breeze. It says clean the windows, blinds, frames, and mirrors. I don't have any of those. Wipe down the doors, baseboards, knobs, and switch plates. Well, I'm just going to wipe down the armoire itself. Then it says wipe down the desk and shelves. I am going to do that. I don't have a trash can specific. My office chair is just a kitchen chair, so I don't have to wipe that down. I don't have to vacuum. I don't have a ceiling fan or lighting. And then it says clean your keyboard, mouse pad, and computer screen according to instructions. I don't have a desktop, but I will just wipe down my laptop. Then it says organize, and for my filing system, it's time to organize all your paperwork into a filing system. I already have a current filing system that works for me, so I'm just going to add items to my, I do have a bucket of things that need to be filed, and so I'm going to add anything in there and then do all of the filing. One area in my house that is so lacking in love is the mail station. So I'm going to try to figure out a place that it says create a designated mail station. That's the majority of what is on my desk is mail that has either been opened and briefly scanned, or I just have it's junk mail and I have not gotten rid of it. Books and magazines, I've got to organize some magazines, and then any books that are not being used right now will go on the bookshelves. And then it says label and organize into containers, drawers, baskets, and I don't have drawers or baskets, so that's kind of another area that I won't have to worry about. Shopping list, I'm not buying anything for this area, and then everything that I'm going to do is going to come out of the clean and the sort categories. So come along with me as I work on week number 11 in my office. Okay, everybody, so I am done with the office, and again, it's just an armoire office, so it didn't take as long as it might take other people if you have a full room office. I do not have that, which is fortunate for me. So in the beginning of the video, I had everything just on this. This is a fold down desk so that I could really clean out through here. So I have done all the paperwork, and it probably did take me a little while, but I had to stop and do a few things in the middle as well. I did 2 bags full of trash. It was junk mail. I just bring it in and I throw it on my desk, and most times it just stays there until I feel like dealing with it. I only had a few things that were just in the wrong place, like 1 or 2 things that needed to be taken to a different location in the house. I wiped down the doors and all of the wood pieces here, and then I just already have a filing system that works for me. The mail station, so I have created a mail station, and I'm hoping that it's going to work, and I'll show you that in just a second. Books and magazines, I still have some magazines I have not read, so I did put them in a place that I feel like they'll be okay for now. So we are completed with our checklist for the office for week 11. So tomorrow I'm actually going to go back and do week 9, which is my linen closet, or it's actually our medicine cabinet because it's too small for towels or sheets. So let me show you what the office looks like, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here's the office, what it looks like now. So everything is pretty clean. I'm just backing up so you can see the full picture. I didn't take any of the book, I didn't remove them and put them anyplace else. So I just left them there because the other bookshelves are pretty full. I did put up some of my subscriber cards and different things like that. I don't have all of them up, just a few. Totally cleaned everything out here. I'm just doing some coupons, and then this is just my flash drive. But here's kind of what I did. I totally cleaned off this shelf here, which had a lot of notebooks and stuff, and I relocated those notebooks up here. I'm going to be writing some thank you notes to subscribers, so I just left that right there for right now until I can get them written and stamped, and then I'll put them in the mailbox. My mail system, I'm actually going to use this bucket here, and then when I get mail, I'm going to throw it in the bucket so at least it's all contained. And then when I have a few minutes to go through it, I will. And then I actually put my magazines right here, and then I can go through them as well. So pretty much outside of this table that's down, once I put that back up because it attaches to this door, the office is done. I'm planning to use this office a little bit more just to kind of conduct more business here. I'm actually trying to spend more time in my living room, which I really don't do a lot of. But anyway, that's the office week 11 of the Home Organizational Challenge. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. It just says, hey, we like your video. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. And also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next week's challenge, bye.